Hi, I'm Alicia Mitchell, principal of Archbishop Murphy High School. Choosing a high school is no doubt an important family decision, and we are so grateful to you. Thank you for considering Archbishop Murphy. First and foremost, it's important to know that there is no such thing as a typical Wildcat. Our students are all unique individuals that come to us with different gifts and strengths that we seek to nurture throughout their 4 years at AMHS. And true to our mission, we value diversity. All families are welcome. We also value partnering with parents. We have signature programs to offer your students and to meet the range of unique needs. We have a health studies program for students who are just really into science and maybe even aspiring to maybe even a future career in a healthcare field. We have a business pathway program for those entrepreneurial minded students who may want to study business in the future or have interests in things like econ or marketing. We have an academic resource center. Our ARC serves a range of students who may need some accommodations or a little extra support in their classes or a modified curriculum. We also have advanced placement, AP courses, honors courses, and college and the high school offerings. We have a pretty incredible range of academics to meet the unique needs of our students, as well as great extracurricular offerings to make it a robust experience here at AMHS. But your students are surrounded by an incredible community. There's great classmates, as well as highly committed, very talented and dedicated faculty and staff that work with your kids here every day. But don't just take my word for it. I'd love for you to hear from one of our students who's a great example of what the AMHS experience is all about.